Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of WBC segmentation using UNET algorithm. As far as the WBCs are concerned, they are white blood cells, and its segmentation can be useful in detecting and diagnosis of leukemia blood cancer. So that is very much important. So as far as segmentation is concerned, it's all about finding out the number of WBCs in that particular blood sample, and this is also helpful in pathological labs as well. So the pathological labs can also be the direct user of this system, where they have to count the WBCs of patient. Now most of them, sort of, while doing the blood test, so there are so many parameters with the blood they calculate, like hemoglobin and all those stuff, and in that there is one parameter called WBCs. So in order to calculate that thing, WBCs, this kind of technique can be used. And as far as the unit algorithm is concerned, it's all about the CNN based algorithm which is implemented in Python, and we are having a data set on which we are training the model. Along with the mask images, we are having the data set, so we are training this model on this particular important data set. And once the model is trained, then we are giving any random blood sample and it is supposed to count the WBCs. So the counting of WBCs will be helpful in two cases. Now first is in diagnosis of leukemia cancer, and the second one is in the blood tests. So whatever blood tests are done in pathological labs, so that can be done using this particular system, and those the systems can be, or that those organizations can be direct user of this particular software. Now let's run this software, and once we run, will have to hit localhost colon 5000 in the browser, and then this is the front page on which some basic information is there, and then we can click on blood cell segmentation, and here you can actually choose the sample. For example, if I pick this one, then I will upload. So this is the WBCs, and I need to identify in this sample where are the WBCs are. Then once I click on test, then I will get to know that these are the regions where the WBCs are and the rest of the things are made black, and accordingly it will count the number of WBCs in this sample. Now, based on that, it can be calculated how many WBCs are there per 100 ml of blood and all those things. So that is the different thing. And also there is static about the spread, which is there, where we are having this kind of basic information about the project. So that's all about the complete implementation of this project. And as far as the programming language of this project is concerned, so we are using Python programming language, Flask framework of Python, and UNET algorithm, which is deep learning based algorithm. And also at the front end side, we're having some HTML and CSS coding to build this kind of web application. So in case you need any code of this particular project or any support regarding implementation of this project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.